Hi, I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet. It's hard to believe that we're two-thirds of the way into summer. People are just beginning to enjoy their summer. And of course, boating is a big part of it. Some of you might not know that for 16 years, we've specialized in doing floor covering for boats. We've done multi-million-dollar yachts. We've done very small pleasure boats. Anything that presently has floor covering or presently needs floor covering, we can take care of. Typically, we install carpet, we install cushion vinyl, we do it wall to wall, we do it as area rugs, we can do it with snaps, we can do it with Velcro, we can do just about anything. In fact, we provide you with templates and instructions so that if you want to create the patterns yourself for your boat, you can bring them in and we'll do the work in our workshop. It'll cost you less money because we're not actually going out to the boat. But whether you want to do it now or wait till the end of the summer before you put your boats away for the winter, just remember, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods specializes in floor covering for boats, and we're ready to help you with just that.